Namaste Mansi ji. I have had a beautiful opportunity to work with you in creating my own spiritual life. And I'm really blessed to have joined your 1 year course. Since I have joined, there's been so many small shifts I have seen in myself. The alignment to my true self has started to happen. Recently मैं जयपुर गई थी और वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ सिचुएशंस थे जो बहुत क्रिटिकल थे और मैं शायद वो फेस करने के लिए 2 साल से प्रिपेयर कर रही थी, लेकिन इस बार गई तो मैं एक अलग से हैप्पीनेस मोड में थी, सेल्फ लव मोड में थी। और जो क्रिटिसिज्म पहले सुन के मैं बहुत अपसेट हो जाया करती थी, वही सेम क्रिटिसिज्म जब इस बार सुनी, एक शिफ्ट आया मेरे अंदर। मैं उस क्रिटिसिज्म को सुन के मैंने पहली बार अपने आप को न देख के सामने वाले की तरफ देखा, एंड आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन्स पर्सपेक्टिव। आई कुड सी दैट पर्सन इन पेन, and because of that pain, that person is giving me that comments, and it gave me a lot of insight what I could do for that person so that I can take away that pain from that person. And when I did that exactly, the person I could see was more relaxed and smiling. And if that person is one of your family members, then I enjoyed doing that work for that person. So I've in this journey again, I'm trying to find myself, connect with my own self, and connect to the right profession where I can really create this value for the people whom I connect to. So thank you, Mansi ji. These small wisdoms, these small enlightenment is how I would put it, or self-awareness I am getting about myself would not have been possible without this meditative journey. And I'm enjoying every day, look forward to doing these meditations with you. In fact, when I had started, it was so difficult for me to wake up and do it. And today, I wake up, I get ready, practicing all my cleansing and be there in the sessions. So I'm really grateful, I'm really in gratitude that I am a part of this, your first group of 1 year meditation sessions, and I'm really looking forward to also learning how to teach meditations and all of what you teach to others in the group. So thank you, Mansi ji, so much. This has been my very enlightenment path as of now, and I love to continue doing this and creating more, just not for you but also for myself. So thank you.